Hey everybody, I'm Mike, this is Fernando. We're going to be doing a little bit of stuff about wrestling today. Now this isn't WWE wrestling, this is going to be jockeying for position. If you're in a fight, you've gone past the striking stage and someone has started to grab somebody, maybe somebody gets thrown on the ground, that kind of thing, okay? Now the one that I'm going to be talking about is the 50-50 clinch. A clinch is just anytime people are grabbing at one another. 50-50 in this case because no one has an advantage. We're both actually doing exactly the same thing. So we're both going to use our right hand and be grabbing the back of the neck of the other person. When we're doing this, this is our way of making some change to their posture, their balance. We're really trying to move them around, see if we can throw them on the ground and get out of there. Now, because we're not just going to stay this way, we take our other hand and we're going to try to affect that hand that's trying to affect us. So this way, I'm trying to not let him affect me nearly as much with this arm by bending his elbow. He's actually doing the same thing to me. Now we can also do this with the other hand. So left hand grabbing around the back of the neck, right arm grabbing onto the arm, and we're leaning forward. Leaning forward is a really big part here because if you start leaning backwards and you get back onto your heels, really easy to tip you over. If you go too far forward, they can pull you over your toes, which is going to be another bad thing. So that's the big key to the 50-50 clinch. And now Fernando's going to talk to us about the single arm clinch.
All right, so the single arm clinch is a variant of the 50-50 clinch where the aggressor, myself, is going to try to go on the inside of the defender. By the inside, I mean having the controlling hand, in this case my left arm, on the inside of his right arm. Always on the inside. And since I am the aggressor, I'm the one that's going to be taking in position and trying to take him off balance. When Mike was mentioning making sure that you're fully, not too far forward, nor too back, is because we are fighting for position and we are jockeying for that technique. Now, right arm here, I'm trying to take him down. His job is to stop me from whatever it is I'm doing. Single arm clinch right over here, okay? Same thing if we are on the opposite side. So if you can trade spaces, same thing. I'm still the aggressor, I'm still on the inside, and I am going to try to take him down, whether it be his front leg and whatnot. His job is to stop my attack. So if I am, this is it right here. Eventually though, the 50-50 clinch, single arm takedown, or single arm clinch, excuse me, is a stepping stone for other techniques to follow, okay?
Absolutely. Now make sure that you check out some of our other videos as well where we do go into those more complicated moves. We have some really great ways of grabbing the other person, things like the Muay Thai clinch, double underhooks, as well as ways that you can start from the 50-50 clinch or the single arm and transition into ways that are going to get you out of there a little faster. Single leg takedowns, put the person on the floor, or going around and taking onto the back. So, thanks very much for watching everybody, and we'll see you next time.
Take care.